Good morning, world! Good morning, mga kachiki!
Tell me, tourist
Saturday!
lady, where are all the places that you have seen since you've been here? Name some of the places that you have visited. What are some of the places you have visited? What are the towns?
Nordham, Port, Busselton, and what that called there? And have a wave rock.
Yeah.
Where is that wave rock? What the town of that wave rock? Hayden. And we go to the next have a two church there.
Yeah, Chittering, wasn't it? Chittering.
Chittering.
You saw the beautiful church.
Yes, Chittering.
Fine, Mercy Church there. 2J.
Yeah. And then Mandarin.
Mandarin.
Mandarin. Yes, we'll be there. Also, and what?
Bunbury.
Bunbury. Yes.
Visited Bunbury, your friends there.
Yes, visiting my friends there in Bunbury. And Busselton, I have our friends there also.
And you visited Bunbury and Busselton several times, haven't you?
Yeah. And my friends there. New friends.
And we went to Del Wallinyu. Lots of Filipino people.
Yes, that is Wallinyu town. Lot of Filipino there.
Another trip, Wongam Hills.
Yeah.
The country town, just seeing a lot of the wheat belt.
Yes. And then today we're going to Port Midland. Where?
Yeah, we'll go through Midland. We're going right into a part of Perth you haven't seen. We're going to visit the North Perth Monastery. Very beautiful old church that belongs to the Redemptorist priest. In fact, it's the same congregation order as the Baclaran.
Yeah, Baclaran
in Manila.
Same
congregation order, same religious order.
Yeah.
Redemptorist. Our Lady of Perpetual Succor.
So Andros guide to me and bring other town and look around and Port and Busselton and also Nordham. So yeah, that is good.
Yeah, it's a funny thing, isn't it? As a tourist visiting places, it's not too often probably that people travel just looking around at different towns. But have you liked it? Have you liked seeing all the different towns?
Yes, of course, why not?
Well, I'm just saying that some people like to just see tourist sites, not little towns, you know. But
yeah, tourists.
I think as a tourist, it's
traveling going to the other place.
Yeah, you've seen Gemaling?
Yeah, Gemaling.
Went to Gemaling. Did I take you out to Meriden this time?
Yeah.
Meriden? Did we do Meriden early? No.
No. Where are you going there?
Did I take you to Meriden? No.
No. Last time we go there. So we're going to Meriden. So far.
Yeah, it's a fair way. But next time, already, because we still haven't taken you there yet, but I really want to do it because it's lovely out there. Kalgoorlie, the gold town, and the other towns around Kalgoorlie like Kambalda, and historical gold places like Broad Arrow and anyway, those places up in Kalgoorlie and also Coolgardie.
Yeah.
Southern Cross. Cross, but also Geraldton. I want to get up and I want to take you up to Geraldton to see Rosie and Jason and my two men up there. Chloe's in Perth, but see the beautiful ocean. There's places up there that Northampton's very near, and that's nice out at a place called Horrocks, beautiful little coastal resort, place, nice lagoon, beach, very beautiful there. That's a good holiday tourist spot too.
Tourist. What is the tourist spot?
Well, it's a tourist spot for holidays,
okay.
in particular for people who want to have a few days there and enjoy a nice calm serenity of a bay and a reef that separates the hard, rough water from the shoreline. It's very safe for swimming, doing fishing. And then there's Greenock, which is just south of Geraldton. We've got Walkaway, Nunuka, they're all part of the Geraldton area, and Dongara.
Dongara? Where is that?
Dongara is where.
Dongara?
Yeah, that's
so far?
Back towards Perth.
Ah, okay.
Geraldton, about 75 kilometres.
75, so far.
Lovely spot as well. Yeah, but it's a nice town.
Okay.
I think I
can go next time.
I think I might have called in through there the first time you came, and I went up. We went that trip up around the back through the inland and Paynes Find, come out of Paynes Find and across to Geraldton that way. I think when we come back, I think we need to I think that's what they used 2 years ago now.
Yeah.
No, no.
Touring girl. I'm touring girl.
You've learned a lot of it, got familiar with a lot of part of southwest and western Australia.
Yeah.
But you also had that one of those early from Darwin to Kununurra, is that right? Remember that?
Yeah, Darwin.
And we went in the van. We went to Katherine. We travelled down to Katherine.
Yeah, I remember
Northern
that.
Territory, then across the border into Kununurra, and we went up to Wyndham, then back to Kununurra, saw some of the things there, then back across to Katherine, through Timber Creek, the big Fitzroy River just before that.
Yeah, that is nice view there.
Victoria River, sorry. Victoria River.
What the place there we swimming? Going to the lake. We use the boat. What that called? What that called the boat?
Oh, Lake Argyle, yeah.
Lake Argyle.
Argyle, yeah.
We're going
right.
in the.
That's right. We did have a swim.
That is we swimming there.
Among the freshwater crocodiles.
Yeah, we have a crocodiles there.
Yeah, but it was pretty safe where we were.
Then they have small fish, cannot afraid of the people. The people is swimming, the fish is there.
Yes. Yes, that's right. And that's right. You're a good memory.
Yeah, that is a good place and good looking. That is good tourist spot.
It is.
Yeah. I cannot start to get video before on YouTube. That is get picture, only picture. I have a little video, but but now I have a channel, YouTube channel. So yes, I get the video
I think you would agree for all the tourist buffs out there. Tourist buff meaning people that might be interested in coming to Australia for a visit. From about April to September, coming to Darwin, then coming down to doing that trip down to Katherine, across to Kununurra, and perhaps even Catherine's back, seeing the Fitzroy River, and yeah, doing those things that we did. Out from Darwin, you can go to Litchfield National Park, or you can go across to Jabiru and what's the name of Jabiru and Arnhem Land. It's all there. It's really great tourist. Really. As we come up here, we're coming up to a place called Bayswater, so we're Bassendean and Bayswater. And Bayswater, on the train line over here, this train line, that takes you through Bayswater. And at Bayswater, the train station, there's a line that goes to the airport.
Guildford.
Yeah, Guildford, then Bayswater. And Bayswater has a junction for the train to go and get the link on the train to the airport to see if they can, you know, instead of taking a motor vehicle to the airport, I can take the train.
Guildford tong place na to. Oh, that is nice. Big tree. Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak, oh. Purple. Parang santan. May santan bang ganito? Purple. Ganda, no? Oh, purple siya.
BT Park is, yeah, very nice. But these days it's you know, it's not as spectacular because it's got big aquatic centres all over the place. But when I was a boy, that was the big place to go for a swim. Big swimming pools, big.
Nandito kami, oh. Ganda ng view nila, guys. CR muna kami, hanap kami ng ano. CR, aray, masakitin pa ako, eh. Nyawi, ah. View nila dito, ang ganda. Hanap kami muna ng CR. Kasi malayo-layo pa yung biyahe namin. Pero nandito na po tayo sa city, ha, ng port. Pero punta kami ng city, Midland. Midland City. Binaliktad ko na naman. Ang ganda ng view dito, guys. Laki na simbahan nila dito, oh. Kita niyo? Ganda ng simbahan nila dito, malaki. May nagagawa. May nag-work. Ang ganda ng ano nila, guys. Simbahan. Walang CR dito, guys. Sirado. Tinuro kami sa ibang ano. Malayo-layo pa yun. Hindi lang pala kami ang naghanap ng CR. Mayroon din pala. May bird, oh. Nag-isang bird. Ay, dalawa pala sila, oh. Para silang duck. Mahaba ang ano niya, oh. Sungo. Ngoso. Ganda ng kahoy nila dito, guys. Oh, ito magandang kahoy, malilim. Malilim talaga sa ilalim. Alagang-alaga kasi nila to dito, oh. Diba? Kahit saan talaga dito may mga bird. Laki ng simbahan nila, guys. Oh, church nila. May bird, guys. Oh, dumadapo siya sa gate. Ang laki ng sungo niya, haba. Yeah.
Gate number 5.
Gate number 5.
It's good to know. It's gate number 5.
Wheelchair in the car, but yeah, I can't jump off.
Inabol niya kami kasi hindi kami makapasok doon sa gate number 2.
Gate 1. It says gate 1 here.
Aha.
Oh, we'll just
Entrance.
sort of.
Hinabol niya kami, dinala kami yan dito sa number 5. Ganda dito guys.
Saw this parking.
Yeah, no, thank you.
But you having...
Yeah.
That one, yes.
Thank you.
I know what, even the sign here that says will be good.
Dito. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
It's like, isn't it?
Tinurot. Ang layo namin nilakaran. Ang laki kasi ng simbahan nila guys.
So really, for next time, gate 1 is there.
Yeah.
Walk through here.
Malaki ng simbahan nila.
Can I help you check that? Can you?
No, that's all right.
Dito pala guys, ngayon ko lang nalaman, ito pala pintuhan namin para sa confession. Confession, kumbaga sa atin, kumpisal. Itong nasa likod ko, yun pala ang place nilang kung gusto mong mag-confession. Ayan. Sa likod ko na yan. Nakita ko sa inyo. May tao kasi dyan sa loob guys. Alam mo naman na hindi tayo andyan. Yan, ito po na place ang confession sa likod. Diyan, tapos nagkumpisal. May place din sila na pupunta ka na doon, magdadasal ka na taimtim. May mga upuan dyan sa likod. Yan ang pari pa ang nagbuka sa akin ng pinto doon sa CR. Disturbo talaga kami, no? Sorry po. Pero hindi po kasi namin alam eh. Tapos, ayun po. Maganda po yan. Oh. Ayan, yung likod na yan. Yan ang place nilang confession. Confession place. So, nandyan sila ngayon at saka si Andrew. Diyan din ako galing ngayon. Tapos, lumabas na lang po ako kasi marami po silang naghihintay doon. Kaya lumabas ako, kumuha ako ng video. Kaya ayan, nandyan pa si Andrew sa loob. Pero ayan, ang laki po ng simbahan nila. Tahimik talaga kasi wala naman po talagang mass ngayon. Araw ng kumpisal nila ngayon. Araw pitsa. Kaya ayan, nandito po tayo. Lakad-lakad po tayo dito. Malaki po. Sabi, ang nadisturbo sa amin yung pare, no? Nabuksan namin. Ay, hindi naman kami nagbukas. Siya ang nagbubukas. Kaso lang, hindi kami pwede doon pumasok kasi yun na nga, nandoon din siya. Kumbaga siya ang nag-confession nga sa mga tao. Kaya, hindi kami pwedeng dadaan dito doon. Kaya dito kami. Ang daming tao dito, guys. Oh. Ang dami na pala, abot-abot. Araw pala nila ngayon, pitsa ngayon na may confession, kumbaga kumpisal. Ayun, may kumpisal kasi ngayon dito, kaya dito kami. Kaya pala maraming tao. Dumating kami dito, wala pa. Ang layo ng parada namin. Ang parada namin ay nandoon. Nandito pala ang paradahan. Yan. Tapos ang layo ng paradahan namin. Wala, punta na kami. Tapos punta kami sa malaking shopping mall. Kasi may bilhin kami doon. Tingnan mo yung paan nito. Dito ako dumaan sa sa malilim, sa ilalim ng punong kahoy. Para hindi ganong mainit. Nandun pa lang parking lot. Nandun kami nakaparking sa malayo. Kasi mali ang turo ng babae sa amin. Kawawa naman yung isang mama. Isang paanga lang yung. Tapos naglakad ka ng malayo. Nakakratsis nga lang yun. Dito kasi kami dumaan. Ay, hindi naman pala pwede. Kasi nandito yung ano. Nandun sila nagpakumpisal yung lugar na yan. Yung ano, nandyan yung pare. Kaya pwede naman kami buksan, sabi niya. Kaso lang hindi siya pwedeng hindi kami pwedeng pumasok doon kasi sa kanya lang talaga yun. Place niya yun. Lugar niya yung magpapakumpisal. Tara. Ang daming taong ang daming nagpapakumpisal. Ayun. Buksan natin yung pinto. Ayan. So where are we going now?
You know, I'll check the internet first.
Okay.